tenderness I'll show you, honey, babe. Oh, I just wanna get you closer, closer. Can I hold you, baby? Oh, I just wanna get to know you, know you, know you, know you. Can I, baby? Oh, can I get to know you? Yeah, it's the sweet spot. I get sticky in the sheets, I make your sheets hot. I need the sweet spot. Just give me anything you eat, like it's a sweet shop. Yeah, it's the sweet spot. Like you pretty in the sheets, let's make the sheets hot. Yeah, it's the sweet spot. I give you anything you like, you make me weak.
We met where the dolphins leave, right by the ocean blue. Didn't know it then, but girl, my heart belonged to you. You were laughing in the breeze, sunlight dancing off your cheek. That's the moment I believed in love. Yeah, it started there for me. Now every time I see the waves, I'm taken back again to that sweet spot by the shore where strangers became friends. Still get the same rush, holding hands and feeling peace. Love that's steady, built on trust, not just flash or heat. That's my sweet spot, more than just a place. It's the spark, the look that I'm feeling I can't replace. That's my best friend, my partner in life. Every I love you since started that night. We grown together through the storms and the sun. From the dolphins to this love, we're only just begun. Yeah, I got everything I need right here. Don't need the shot. Yeah, I got everything right here. You're my sweet spot. And when the world falls apart, you're the target, I'm the dart. Through the chaos and the dark, you're the center of my heart. Center